Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average guy trying to be consistent. I have a more than 200 days straight 5 to 3 a.m. morning push-up streak, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. And hey, I help people stay consistent. And this is how you can literally be consistent at literally doing anything, pretty much anything, with these two really important things that you need to have. And hey, this is July 4th, 2025, and this is going to be day 361 of consistently helping people build consistency. So first thing first, we need to be having some clarity when we are trying to be consistent. Notice most people, they wanted to be consistent at doing something, but they don't really have any clear idea of what is the thing that they wanted to be consistent at. They only say, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising every single day. I'm going to be studying every single day. But what type of studying are you going to be doing? How many minutes of your day you are going to be spending your time doing the exercise? How can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't really have any clear idea of what is the thing that you are going to be consistently doing, right? So instead of saying those things, the thing that we wanted to be saying here is something like, oh yeah, every single day I'm going to be reading a scientific book for at least 5 minutes every single day. This way, we bring some clarity here. It's specific, okay? Reading a scientific book. It's measurable. 5 minutes every single day at least. And there's a deadline. This is really important, okay? There's a deadline to it because, hey, if we do not have any deadline, we are just basically going to procrastinate. And the second thing that we need to be having here is to basically make it hard to quit, okay? Make consistency the easy way. Notice why we cannot be consistent at doing something is because when we quit, there's relatively no direct consequences other than feeling disappointed to yourself. So we want to be making quitting hard here and comparatively sticking to the thing easier. So for example, we basically create on a commitment to one of our close friend that, hey, we say to him or her, hey bro, you know what, like if I cannot show up to my goal, if I cannot read 5 minutes of a scientific book every single day, if I fail to be consistent, well, you know what? I will delete my social media. Okay? This way, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to read 5 minutes of book, we are going to be thinking like, oh, you know what? Yeah, reading 5 minutes of book kind of felt boring today. It kind of feels sucks today. But guess what's going to be comparatively even way more suck? It's going to be breaking the commitment and basically delete my social media. I do not want that to happen. So, hey, you know what? I'm just going to be doing something that's relatively less suck and easier, which is to basically read 5 minutes of a scientific book. And anyway, it's the right thing to do, right? So, you know what? I'm just going to be doing it. So that's how you actually be consistent at literally doing anything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate that. Join our Discord. And for today's date, I'll send this to the post. Today is July 4th, 2025. And today's memes are posted a birth year post, last 24 hours, GMT +7. But this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.